Hello everyone. Today, content creation is booming, but finding the right assets, especially quality green screen overlays, can be a real challenge. They're often scattered, hard to find, or cost money. That's why we built Green Screen Vault, your ultimate, free, and community-driven destination for chroma key footage and video clips. Welcome to Green Screen Vault. As you can see, our platform is designed to be intuitive and user-friendly. On the homepage, you can immediately browse the most recent uploads or check out what's popular among users. Discovering content is easy. Simply scroll through our ever-growing library. And the best part? You can instantly preview clips by hovering over them, giving you a quick look before you decide to download. We also provide helpful resources, like a quick guide on using overlays, and pro tips for content creators. All content is licensed under CC0, public domain, making it completely free to download and use in your projects. And we encourage everyone to contribute. Looking for something specific? Our robust search functionality lets you find clips by title. For example, if I search for keyboard, there it is. Clearing the search brings back the full gallery. We also support user preferences with both light and dark themes. Now, let's see how easy it is to contribute to the community. I'll click the upload icon. Users can optionally add their name or alias. Crucially, we require a deletion password. This empowers uploaders by giving them full control to manage or remove their content later on. Now, let's select a video. We're using Cloudinary for robust and optimized video hosting and delivery. This ensures fast uploads and high-quality playback for all users. And just like that, the upload is complete. My overlay is now live and available for everyone. As you can see, Overlay 2 is now the first item in most recent. If I uploaded this, I might want to manage it. Let's click the options. Say I made a typo or want to change the title. I can select Rename. For security, it asks for the deletion password I set earlier, ensuring only I can make changes. Let's change Overlay 2 to Overlay 3 and save. Perfect, the title is updated. Now, if I want to remove my contribution, I can choose Delete. Again, it requires the password for verification. A final confirmation, and, yes, delete forever. And it's gone. Users have complete autonomy over their shared content. Let's quickly check the Popular tab. Here, you can see which overlays are getting the most traction, sorted by view counts, helping you discover trending content. And if you want to see more, just click Load More Videos to explore further. So, that's Green Screen Vault. A free, open, and community-driven platform designed to empower content creators. We believe it solves a real need by providing an easy-to-use hub for high-quality green screen overlays, all while giving users full control over their contributions. And this is just the beginning. Imagine sound effects, LUTs, overlays, and a whole damn universe of creative tools coming your way. Thank you.